Hey guys, this is Tool Taz here. Um, on my final on this beautiful GMC Chevrolet truck for Chevy truck. Um, just got it finished. It's sitting in front of me right now. Um, you can kind of see the top of it. Uh, did a surfboard for it. Kind of gives you a glimpse what the color is on this thing. Um, I call it Blue Crush, kind of based on the movie. It's got a scratch-built roof rack that I made out of a basically part tree, cut to shape the fit, and then cut me popsicle sticks, craft sticks, to make the roof rails, and then stained it for. Went to the Dollar Tree and you can get these markers that you use for furniture, and I stained the wood with that, and then I clear coated it with Rust-Oleum clear coat. The finish is a cobalt blue metallic by Rust-Oleum with a Rust-Oleum clear on the body, and then the one coat lacquer clear white pearl top is the other. The whole interior is pearl white with a light blue metallic inserts and dark blue carpet. Stickers all are out of the part box. Like surf, they're all surf stickers. They're, you know, kind of fits the theme for California style. Got a California sticker on the rear. All the chrome. I left all the chrome logos and stuff like that on this truck stock. I lowered this truck pretty heavy. I scratch built my exhaust, dual exhaust system for it, because this kit comes with a single. Painted my shocks red and silver. I went with gunmetal for the gas tank and spare tire carrier. The spare tire will not fit this project. Kind of sucks because it's too low for the spare tire carrier. The wheels are from a part box. I believe they're from either the Revell 55 or the 56. I think they're 56 Bel Air kit ones. These tri-spokes, but they fit this truck really well. Believe it or not, these wheels are nice. The hood opens on the hinges, so the hinges actually do work on this truck. Yes, Martin, I found the wiper. Friday night hangout, I lost one of the wipers. I just picked it up out of the ground here. I plumbed and wired it. Ignition coil is right here in this cat corner. I scratch built this. The coil, it's actually a wire running to it. And left it kind of like a polished looking aluminum one. I ran both the heater hoses, one from the water pump back, and then the one that goes on the intake back. I ran my own fuel lines, my own fuel log to the carburetor, aftermarket 4-barrel carburetor, and a pair of chrome bell covers, a chrome air cleaner, and an alternator that's chrome plated with a bracket. And then I used a different master cylinder to make the thing have like power brakes. And then interior wise is this aftermarket steering wheel and a aftermarket steering wheel, and a sub. And then there's a radio face sitting in the seat. This had the option to either pull the top off and leave it off or glue it on. And I was going to remove the top and make it presentable, but after I set it on there and it fit really well, I said, I'll glue it straight on. Not like they're going to see inside of it very much. That way it keeps it on there. Chrome the pin, steering wheel. Mallow pin really helped on this. The engine detail, you can see more of the engine detail fillers. Top bottom radiator hoses are there. They were not fun. Not fun at all. Not fun at all. When you're sitting it on, see how it sits, kind of sits the butt down. Now, I think I said it wasn't sitting like this from the last video. I was saying, oh, it sits kind of nose up. Well, I didn't have the tires tucked in where they needed to be on the body. It was actually, the tires were actually right, keeping the body not positioned right. No big deal. Corrections. That happens with all of us. Yeah, this is my Suburban I call Out of the Blue. For Chevy Truck Month. Thank you, Pappy, or Fred Henry. For posting this Chevrolet Truck Month. Love to see what other people are building. I know Thomas Solis is building one of these, and so is John Paul. He's building one of these also in this truck. Like to see what other people are building, and stay tuned to what will be sitting on my bench next. Might be a surprise. You'll have to hold on. Might post a video on it, might not. It all depends on how I feel. But this is Tool Taz signing out. Keep me in below if you want one of these cards. Either Facebook, Todd Staples, or Tool Taz, and I'll get you one out shortly. Thank you for my new subscribers. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Have a good one, fellas.